Okay, I'm just gonna wait, wait. Okay. Okay, come on. I have to record it. I have to record it. Today is Sunday, July 14th, 11 p.m. 48 minutes. Yeah, and my birthday is on July 15th. July 15th in 2024. I'm gonna be officially 18 years old. Okay, 1 minute has. Let me set a timer. Actually, let's see. Let me go to time. Where is time? Where is time? My God, where's time now? Clock. Where's clock? Okay. I think we don't have that much time. Setting up a timer is gonna take us another minute or something, so... come on! Yep. Come on. A very nice and long intro to the video. It's actually night, I'm just waiting. Oh my God! Whew. Yo. Okay. It's gonna be interesting to check my Telegram or WhatsApp. And actually, let's try. Let's try. If I have some messages. Okay. No messages. Nothing. Okay. Just gonna exit. And yeah, I think a lot of the things which I have planned out for today. Okay, so vlog